Well, welcome back to the channel, everybody, as we're completing the first week of December. And we're going to try to finish up with some firewood chores and then kick back for a few days and do some little things around the place. Here comes Michelle. We're headed out right now. We'll give you an idea about what I was talking about having to get to trees that are through all of that, and it's quite a little bit of a trip to go all the way out just to come back and be so close to the cabin. Well, we've made it into our stand of dead standing, and the chain is now frozen on the bar. There we go. I'm taking a break from cutting, and trimming up some odds and ends there. Then we have a couple of dead standing we're going to take down. But all the way back in that direction that you're looking at right now is nothing but just massive amounts of dead standing, and it goes almost to our cabin. It's just that there's a few hundred feet of forest that separates us. That is just, it would take weeks to cut trail through it.
Here we go. Can we get these two loaded sleds out of here? Ooh, looks like maybe. We weren't sure, so that's why I'm walking, and he's half on, half off the machine. Oh yeah. Whew.
Well, it's a very cold, windy Monday in December. Oh. And I've got to get down here to a barrel of gasoline that I have to get transferred to the back. So you can imagine how heavy 55 gallons of gas will be. Plus the metal barrel is frozen to the ground. So I'm going to have to transfer out of this one into another one. And I may just line up 5-gallon cans and do it that way. Well, thanks everybody for watching. Make sure you like this video, share this video, subscribe to the channel, leave a comment, and don't forget to hit that notification bell. Right now, Michelle is prepping for her first solo overnight camping trip during the winter. Plus, she's preparing herself for a ski trip that you will not want to miss. See you next time. Yep.